It's been a little strained around here lately because of all the stuff going on outside the house. You know, the pressure, the house, 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 the pressure.
Welcome to another shuffle tutorial. My name is Nicki and today we're going to be learning some cutting shapes. So the first move that we're going to learn is called the diamond, which looks like this. So I kind of do my own version, like some people just stay pretty straight, but I like to bend and then go up. So we're going to be learning my version of it. So basically, I want you to have both your feet apart. Your knees are going to bend in place, and then your right leg is going to go in front of your left, and they're going to straighten and cross over each other at the front. So there's just going to be cross. And then from here, you're going to go back to the center, bend your legs, and then pretty simple, the left's going to come in front of the right. Cross, and then back. So you go cross, 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 cross. And you can do that in place, or you can move to the back. In this one, we're going to be moving to the back, so we're going to do 4 of those. So let's do it slowly. 5, 6, bend your knees. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, up to speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Moving on to our second move, which is cross toe, heel toe, and it's going to look like this. Okay, so what we're going to do is cross our right over our left, and then we're going to come back to center. Then we're going to go up on our heels, and our toes are going outwards, and we're balancing here for a second, and then we come back to center. So it's 4 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll show it to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to balance here, you can really kind of stick your butt out, so you're balancing from your head to your toe. So we'll do our right over, we'll do a right foot, and then after we get to here, we're then going to switch to our left foot when we go left in front of right, and then back to center. And we're going to do that 4 times. So we're going to go right, left, right, left, and my arms are just kind of going with my toes, but it's really up to you, but that's my preference. Let's do it up to speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. It's pretty fast. Okay, moving on to our next move, which is the scissor, and it looks like this. We're going to come to a neutral position, and then you're going to jump back. You're going to jump to this corner. You're going to jump to the right corner with your left foot on your toe. Just jump back to the left. It's on a diagonal. And then at the same time, your right heel is going to the front, but all my weight is on my back supporting leg, which is my left foot. So it goes like so. Intro to the side, okay, to the back. Great, so we just finished here, and then we're gonna jump onto our right foot, and it's gonna come to the center, because we're preparing for the other leg. So we're here, we jump, and then at the same time as you're jumping, our left leg is lifting up, and it's kind of doing this little tuck here. We're here, and then we're ready to do our other leg. So now we jump back on our right leg to the left corner, so it's on a diagonal, and our left foot comes out. So we go diagonal. And then from here, we want to jump on our left leg to the center, and our right leg comes in. So we go corner, center, corner, center. And the key is to not have too much weight on your front foot. It will be really difficult, so just keep your weight centered on your supporting leg. So kick, center, kick, center, kick, center. And see how I'm really like twisting my body? So I'm isolating myself, so my upper half is still facing the front, but my waist down is all facing to the side. So you should really feel it in your core. And I'm really jumping to the back and letting my weight fall to the back. And then when you get comfortable with that, then we go fast. 1, 2, 3, gonna go forward. You can stay in place if you want. So I'm also gonna show you going backwards. So you're gonna jump on your right leg, and your left leg is gonna come around. And then once it gets to the back, your right leg shoots out, and we go back into our regular position. And then we're ready for the other leg. Now jump on your left leg, right goes around, and then jump out. So we go right, left, left. And your weight is like super back. Great. Okay, let's do that a little faster. So we're in this position, like 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you're really getting that twist in. Amazing. So I'll show it going frontwards and backwards so you can do it together. And we'll do it fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And going backwards can be a little trickier, but if you practice, you will get it. Great, so this is our next move. So you're gonna jump to the right with your left foot, and you're kind of turning your foot in slightly. So you're just jumping. And at the same time as you land here, your right heel hits the floor. So you go, right? And then from here, you're gonna fall onto your right foot, and then now you're gonna jump to the other side. So now our right foot is gonna jump way over to the left, and then our left leg is gonna have our heel hit at the same time. So we really wanna keep our weight on our supporting leg that's jumping, because then you'll fall over if you go onto your heel. So just make sure, but your hip is also going to the side. So that is what makes it look really cool. And then from here, we're ready to our other side. So we fall, jump, fall, jump, fall, jump, fall, jump, fall, jump, fall. So it's similar to this move. Except this, our legs are parallel, and this one, our legs are apart. So our knees are turned out, and this one, they're turned in. That makes sense. So we'll do this 4 times. So right, left, right, left. Let's go a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think we're ready to do the combo. So we're gonna combine everything we learned, and I'll tell you quickly. So we're gonna do 4 diamonds, cross toe, heel toe, cross toe, heel toe. So 2 of those. And then we're gonna do 4 scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're not gonna do it to the back, we're just gonna do it to the front. And then from here, we're gonna do our hops to the side. We do 4 of them, and then we'll combine and do everything together. I'm gonna do it slow first with the counts, and then after we can do it together fast. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can really travel these ones forward if you want. Let's do it fast. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sick. Okay, good job, everybody. Yeah, those are some basic cutting shape moves. As you progress, you'll be able to go faster, but it's really important to get the fundamentals down. Great job, everybody. Thank you so much for dancing with me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Normally, I teach dance classes in Victoria, BC. However, they're closed at the moment, so if you feel you want to donate, I will leave a link in the description below. So thank you very much.
The house.